Okay, we're just going to go over a couple of quick notes today. The first one is about something called ecological succession. So ecological succession tells us the order in which plants grow in a habitat from nothing. So basically, if there's just nothing but dirt or nothing but rocks, what are the first plants to grow there? What are the second plants to grow there? What are the third, etc. So again, the other way to say this is which plants, first plants to the second plants to the third, etc. There are two main types of ecological succession, okay? So one is for when plants grow in a totally new area that has just like bare rock, has never really had anything grow there before. The other one is when plants grow somewhere that was disturbed, like for example, by a forest fire. So primary succession starts from bare rock. Like after a volcano erupts, or maybe after a glacier melts to expose bare rock that has not been exposed before. And the pioneer species, those are the first ones to grow there for bare rock, are things like lichen. Lichen can turn rock into dirt. We're going to look more at lichen later when we do a nature walk. Maybe moss, etc. And then over long periods of time, eventually bigger and bigger and bigger things will grow. But it'll start with lichen and moss turning the rock into dirt, which allows the other things to grow. We also have secondary succession, which involves dirt or soil after, for example, a forest fire, maybe a landslide that exposed dirt. So not everything is destroyed. There's still dirt there. And then for that situation, after a forest fire, the first species to grow back are going to be things like grass, maybe weeds. And then eventually it'll slowly get bigger. It'll go then to things like shrubs and then to small trees and then to big trees. Primary succession would follow this same process, but lichen and moss have to come first to turn the rock into dirt. So that is primary and secondary ecological succession.